OnePlus 8 Pro. With the tagline, "Lead with speed." This masterpiece has 120 Hz fluid display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and 5G, Warp Charge 30 wireless, 48 megapixel quad camera. The OnePlus 8 Pro's fluid engine ensures on-screen content flows seamlessly from one frame to the next, while innovative MEMC technology provides even smoother motion. Paired with a brilliant 6.78-inch QHD Plus display and 120 Hz refresh rate, it's love at first swipe. See from edge to stunning edge with a 6.78-inch QHD Plus display. This display can reach an incredible 1300 nits, you can see on-screen content even under direct sunlight. An industry-leading 10-bit color display features 64 times more colors than previous versions. A fully calibrated display delivers ultra-high color accuracy for a true-to-life viewing experience. With over 280 software optimizations, the OnePlus 8 Pro runs seamlessly at 120 Hz, so swiping and scrolling feels smooth and effortless. Experience smoother videos that pop with vibrant colors and brilliant detail. Advanced MEMC algorithms transform standard footage into breathtakingly smooth 120 frames per second videos. HDR Boost enhances shadow and highlight detail while gaming or watching your favorite videos. Experience true-to-life colors from frame to stunning frame. Evenly toned, and this keeps your eyes comfortable with an improved adaptive display. Hardware and software work in unison to detect and adjust color temperature for natural tones and consistent hues. Well-lit brightness control lets you select your ideal display brightness, from 4096 available levels, for smoother brightness transitions and greater eye comfort. A polarized display helps reduce glare and reflections for clearer visibility and more vivid colors. The flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is 25% more powerful, setting a new benchmark for performance. State-of-the-art RAM drastically improves operating speed by 30% while consuming 20% less power. Experience up to 125% higher write speeds thanks to an improved UFS 3.0 file management system. Download movies in seconds, share photos near instantly, and get comprehensive network coverage with 5G. Meet the next generation of Wi-Fi technology. With up to 270% faster data transfer speeds than previous generations, you can stream games and watch shows without a hitch. The OnePlus 8 Pro automatically switches between 5G and non-5G networks, extending your battery life so you stay connected for longer. Turn up the volume and experience dynamic audio with dual speakers featuring Dolby Atmos support. Screen unlock keeps your phone secure and swiftly unlocks with a single tap. Feel the difference with improved haptic vibration that's more powerful, responsive, and detailed. Turn on Fnatic mode to eliminate notifications and maximize gaming performance. Choose how you charge with Warp Charge 30T and Warp Charge 30 wireless. Improved charging technology ensures that your phone charges up fast enough to keep up with you. Charge up from 1% to 50% in just half an hour with new Warp Charge 30 wireless. You can also share your charge with reverse wireless charging. When you need to plug in, a quick 23-minute charge gives you up to 50% power, while the massive 4510 milliAmphour battery keeps you going. Capture the moment with a powerful 48MP quad camera. A new high-resolution ultra-wide-angle camera expands your view, while dynamic video lets you shoot more vibrant and detailed videos. It has 8-megapixel hybrid zoom camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 48-megapixel main camera, 5-megapixel color filter camera. Record-stunning video on the move or even in harsh lighting conditions. Dynamic video captures more detail in backlit scenes, while improved video stabilization lets you follow the action. Expand your perspective with a dramatic 120 degrees field of view. Frame everything from epic group photos to nighttime cityscapes, with a brand new 48MP ultra-wide-angle camera. Take your pet photos to the next level with Smart Pet Capture. Software algorithms work behind the scenes to identify pets and auto-adjust camera settings for the perfect snap. Macro mode brings you closer to the subjects that matter. Focus on subjects just 3 centimeters away to capture intricate new details. Find your best side work every angle with portrait mode on the 16-megapixel front camera. City lights shine with Nightscape 3.0, with improved multi-frame technology for breathtaking results. Apply the photochrome filter on the color filter camera to turn ordinary scenes into surreal landscapes. Backed by an IP68 rating, your OnePlus 8 Pro stays protected from sudden splashes. The OnePlus 8 Pro in glacial green is equal parts fingerprint resistant and irresistible. With a contoured matte AG glass finish, the design delivers an unparalleled look and feel. OxygenOS is smart, swift, and efficient, with intuitive features designed with you in mind. Our focus on your experience ensures your OnePlus smartphone excels at the things you really need, bringing standout features to your fingertips. Specifications of OnePlus 8 Pro: 165.3mm height, 74.3mm width, 8.5mm thickness, 199g weight, 6.78 inches display size with resolution of 3168 x 1440 pixels, 513 ppi. Aspect ratio 19.8:9. Fluid AMOLED type display. Support sRGB, display P3. 3D Corning Gorilla Glass cover. Adaptive display with vibrant color effect Pro, motion graphics smoothing reading mode, night mode. OxygenOS based on Android 10 operating system, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 CPU, X44 5G chipset, Adreno 650 GPU, 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, 128GB or 256GB UFS 3.02 lane storage, 4510 milliAmphour non-removable battery, warp charge 30T fast charging, 30W wireless charging. Rear camera with Sony IMX689 sensor, 48 megapixel, 7p lens, with optical and electronic image stabilization, f1.78 aperture. Telephoto lens is 8 megapixel with optical image stabilization, f2.44 aperture. Ultra-wide angle lens is a 48 megapixel, f2.2 aperture with 120-degree field of view. Color filter lens is a 5 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. Dual LED flash. 3x hybrid zoom. Multi-autofocus. 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second. 1080p video at 30 or 60 frames per second. Super slow motion with 720p video at 480 frames per second, 1080p video at 240 frames per second. Time-lapse video with 1080p 30 frames per second, 4K 30 frames per second. Cine aspect ratio video recording, video HDR, cat and dog face detect and focus, ultrashot HDR, nightscape, super micro, portrait, pro mode, panorama, AI scene detection, raw image, audio zoom, audio 3D. Front camera is a Sony IMX471 sensor, 16 megapixel, with electronic image stabilization, f2.45 aperture. 1080p video at 30 frames per second, time-lapse. Face unlock, HDR, screen flash, face retouching. LTE, LTEA, GSM, WCDMA, LTE-FDD, LTE-TDD, 5G, MIMO. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC enabled, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Baidu, AGPS. In-display fingerprint sensor. Accelerometer. Electronic compass. Gyroscope. Ambient light sensor. Proximity sensor. Sensor core. Laser sensor. Flicker detect sensor. Front RGB sensor. USB 3.1. Type-C. Support standard Type-C earphone. Dual nano-SIM slot. Gestures and on-screen navigation support, alert slider buttons. Dual stereo speakers. Noise cancellation support. Dolby Atmos. Audio 3D, audio zoom. Supports multiple audio and video and image formats. Recording in MP4 format. The box contains OnePlus 8 Pro, Warp Charge 30 power adapter. Warp Type-C cable, support USB 2.0. Quick start guide. Welcome letter. Safety information and warranty card. Logo sticker. Case. Screen protector. SIM tray ejector. Thanks for watching.